Calamities that happen in someone's life are Allah's business. We can't peek into them. So there could be a punishment from Allah, there could be a test from Allah. Allah knows, but we cannot know for certain at all. And this is why we shouldn't get into that business. This happened, is it because of my sin, or is it because Allah wants to test me? You can't arrive at the answer. That's knowledge of the unseen. That's knowledge of the unseen. So we shouldn't get there. That's Allah's business. The more you try to know, the more confusion there will be, the more doubt you're going to have. And we are not supposed to look into this. Okay? Any hardship that reaches a human being, there must be, shaitan must have an element in it first. And number two, there must be a sin or shortcoming behind it. That's a must. But it could be a punishment, it could be a test. No one knows. So one thing, or like a calamity, could be all of those things. It could be from shaitan, it could be from sins, it could be a punishment, it could be a test at the same time. As we said, that's Allah's business. So let Allah do His thing. All what we need to know is that once we go through a hardship, we should trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be patient and not do anything haram, and try our best, to get out of it. And make taslim to Allah. Basically hand our affairs over to Allah. That's all what we need to do. And that's all what we need to know. Is it a test? Is it a punishment? What's going to happen? What does Allah mean behind this? That's none of our business. And that's why Al-Hasan, I believe it was Al-Hasan bin Ali radiallahu anhu, he said, السعيد من انشغل بما أراد الله منه لا من انشغل بما أراد الله به. The one who will be happy with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who keeps himself busy with what Allah wants from him. What does Allah command you to do? Not what Allah wants to do with him. Okay? So don't worry, what's Allah doing to me? Or why is Allah dealing with me like, don't get into this business. But ask yourself all the time, what does Allah want from me? How should I behave in this state? And that's it. So that should be the focus. Otherwise it leads to confusion.